guys, it's Krisa here, and today I have this cash register playset.
Hey cashier, this is what I bought.
Yes, you just put all the Shopkins here.
Okay.
I will press this button and you will put them all.
Okay. You
First,
push the button.
the Shopkins are falling over the place.
You put it on my basket. Paper bag basket.
There's more.
I buy toothbrush. And this one is the last one.
There you go.
How much is the total price?
2.1.
Oh, 2.1. I use my card.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
I will give you some money.
How much is that?
9.2
9.2 peso.
peso.
Next.
I'll give you some money. I'll give you some money.
That is my change. This is my change. I have 2 and how much is that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.50
8.50.
peso. Thank you.
What did you buy?
I'll buy this one. Push pear. How much kilo is that? 4.3.
4.3.
And the apple. Another one is the
Bubble.
What is the price? 4.3.
4.3.
You put it here. Bubble, the apple. Oh, how much is that?
3.0.
0.
3.0. That
Okay,
makes
I
13.
I will pay you. 3. This one. Put it on my bag. Where is my bag?
Here it is.
Where's the other bag?
It is
Food.
There is food. What do you like to buy pa?
I want to buy this one. Jollibee.
And also,
And the pea. Pea's piece.
so,
Masala shake. The toothbrush because I don't have the toothbrush in my house.
yes.
Okay, you look what's the price of that?
When
How much will I pay?
7.30
6 pesos and 50 cents.
I will give you some money also.
Change, your change. Okay, thank you. I will bought all your Shopkins.
Okay, you get them
I
from
put
me.
it here in the basket.
Okay.
Okay, cashier, can you see the price of that?
I will pay it here.
Please encode it in your cash register.
Yes, it's potato powder cake here, and also jelly bean. Let's see what the price is. Oh, it's a 2.1.
Okay, next.
It's again flutter cake with apple blossom with she fell down, and flutter cake. I'll see what the price is. Oh, it's 3.5. Shopkins. Shopkins here. So there's one of them. I will see what the price is. Oh, it's 9.2.
Oh, 9.2. Okay, I will use my card to pay that.
There you go. Well guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.